Hello everyone, welcome to my another video, and in this video I'm going to discuss about Joomla and also the installation of Joomla. So Joomla is a free open source content management system for publishing web content, and Joomla is the mobile ready and user friendly way to build any websites. So for starting, make sure that you have already installed XAMPP in your system and you have started the servers. And if you don't know how to do it, just go to my description section, it's given there. So at first you need to go to Google and search for Joomla and open the first link, and if you scroll down you will get the link of download Joomla. So click on that, and after opening you will get two buttons, one for upgrading Joomla and one for downloading it for the first time. So as I'm downloading for the first time, just click on the download Joomla and it will be downloaded as a zip file, so you have to extract it. So after extracting you will get this kind of folder. Okay, so just rename it for easy access and copy it and paste it inside your XAMPP folders htdocs folder, and locate your XAMPP folder, and inside that you will get the htdocs folder. Just paste inside that. So here the name of my folder is Joomla. So now I'm assuming that you have already started XAMPP servers in your system. So open your browser, and so for testing just write localhost. You can check your server is running or not, and you can see my server is running. So just write localhost /Joomla /index.php and press enter, and your Joomla website will be started here. So now you can setting your page and do the rest of the thing, and also you need to give here your password and all. So thank you for watching.